Come on, now let's make an aquarium on scratch. We are going to make some fish swimming in the aquarium. The result will be like this. Create a new project at scratch. And name this project Aquarium. Delete the cat sprite. In this video, we will be using fish sprites. Add backdrop. This time, we will use a backdrop with the name Underwater one. Then, try adding a fish sprite. Choose the fish sprite. We're going to make this fish sprite swim left and right. Try to pause this video, and do it yourself. If you are confused, just watch this video again. Well, here's a block that you can use to make fish swim. Don't forget to use this block so that the fish head doesn't tip over. This loop block will make the fish swim back and forth left and right. To make it more crowded, try making 4 more fish. Make these fish different sizes. You can also change fish costumes, so your aquarium is better. Then, make the fish swim at different speeds. Finally, play a sound called bubble. Pause the video, and try to do it yourself. Because the coding blocks of each fish are similar, you can make 4 fish quickly. Right-click your mouse on the first fish, then select Duplicate. Well, you'll get the same fish sprites, and the same coding blocks too. Drag the new fish to where you want it. Do it 4 times. To change the size of the fish, select one of the fish sprites, then change the size. Bigger or smaller, it's up to you. Then, change the costume of some fish, so your aquarium has more types of fish. To change the swimming speed of the fish, you can change the number in the blue move block. Or, if you want the fish to swim at different speeds each time the green flag is clicked, you can use the green pick random block to pick a random number each time the green flag is clicked. To play the sound, you can use this block. Add this block only in one of the fish sprites. Try and enjoy. If you like this video, please do me a great favor. Subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. This way, I can get energy to create more interesting video and we can have fun together. Thank you very much, and see you on my other video.